eastern Missouri, northwestern St. Francis County in southeastern Missouri until 3:15 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bond Terrace, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bond Terrace, Deloach, St. Genevieve, Red Bud, Redwood, Park Hills, Evansville, Bloomsdale, Preston, Prairie du Rocher, Prairie, Ruma, Kidd, Kellogg, Modoc, Friends Village, Ames, Roots, Vales Mill, and Walsh. This includes the following state parks: St. Francis State Park. This includes Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 154 and 162. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Sunday for a portion of southwest Illinois.